In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a dual color border around a video clip. This effect adds two different colored outlines around the video, which can make your footage look more stylish and visually interesting. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Next, go to the effects panel and search for stroke. Drag and drop the stroke effect onto your clip. Now, open the Effect Controls panel. Under the Pre-Transform section, enable Apply Prescale. This ensures the border is calculated based on the scaled size of the video. Next, adjust the size value to control the thickness of the border. Now, adjust the roundness value. When the value is 0, the border corners remain sharp and square. If you increase it toward 100, the corners become more rounded. Next, choose your first border color. After selecting the color, increase the colorize value to 100 so the border fully adopts the selected color. Now you'll notice the duo color option. Enable duo color and choose a second color that you like. Then increase the duo colorize value to 100. Now you'll see a two-colored border appearing around the video. You can also enable the invert option. When you check invert, the two colors in the border will swap positions, giving you another style variation. Do play the clip and adjust the values until the border looks the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully created a dual color border around a video using the stroke effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.